How to get best Google Workspace discount promo codes. Looking to save money on Google Workspace? Here's how to find the best promo codes and cashback offers to maximize your savings. Start by checking trusted coupon websites such as Retail Me Not and Hot Deals. Verified codes here often give you 10 to 14% off depending on the plan. So to be able to get the code for each of the offers, simply click on the show code button and this would allow you to get the code that you can easily redeem on Google Workspace. Always use verified codes first. These are tested and guaranteed to work, unlike community submitted codes which may be expired. Activate Microsoft Cashback before purchasing and you can earn up to $21 back on Business Plus and Standard plans or $7 back on Starter plans. Annual plans often come with higher discounts and cashback rewards. If you're committed long term, this is the best way to save. Most promo codes are valid only for new accounts, so if you're just starting out, you'll get the best discounts. Google Workspace also runs seasonal promotions during events like Black Friday or New Year. This can add extra savings on top of promo codes. And that is how to get the best Google Workspace discount promo codes.